Did you know your garden doesn't have to hibernate in winter? That's right. December is the perfect time to grow fresh herbs that thrive in chilly weather. If you're in zone 7 or 8, you've got a golden opportunity to keep your garden alive and vibrant with a selection of cold-tolerant herbs. Keep watching, and I'll guide you through the top herbs to grow this winter, how to care for them, and a few expert tips to maximize your harvest. Gardening in winter has unique advantages. Zone 7 and Zone 8 are characterized by moderate winters, meaning the temperature rarely drops below freezing for long periods. This makes these areas ideal for cultivating hardy, cool-season herbs. Even though December is not traditionally thought of as a gardening month, you'll find that certain plants thrive in these conditions. The cooler temperatures slow growth slightly, but they also result in herbs with richer, more intense flavors, something every gardener and home cook can appreciate. Let's dive straight into the herbs that love winter weather. These selections are easy to grow and incredibly rewarding even for beginners. Parsley. Parsley is a champion for winter gardening. Its vibrant green leaves not only look stunning, but are also rich in vitamins A and C. This herb can handle frost and even light snow, making it a reliable choice for your December garden. Ensure the soil is well drained and slightly moist, and parsley will reward you with continuous harvests throughout the season. Thyme. Thyme is another excellent option. This evergreen herb thrives in colder months and retains its aromatic oils even as temperatures dip. Plant it in a sunny spot and you'll have a steady supply of fragrant sprigs to enhance soups, stews, and roasts. Chives. If you love the mild onion flavor of chives, you'll be happy to know they flourish in winter. These perennials are resilient and can even survive under a light blanket of snow. They don't require much maintenance, just plant them in well-drained soil, and they'll practically take care of themselves. Sage. Sage is a must-have for cold weather. Its robust leaves can withstand frost, and its earthy flavor complements hearty winter dishes perfectly. Whether planted in pots or directly in the ground, sage will add a pop of greenery to your winter garden. Rosemary. Though slightly less cold-tolerant than some herbs, rosemary can thrive in zones 7 and 8 winters with proper care. Use mulch to protect its roots and consider a frost blanket during particularly cold nights. Its pine-like aroma and flavor make it a favorite for both culinary and decorative purposes. Oregano. Oregano loves cooler temperatures and grows best in well-drained soil. This perennial herb offers bold flavors that work well in Italian and Mediterranean recipes. Keep it pruned to encourage bushy growth, and it'll flourish throughout the season. Cilantro. Cilantro is a fast-growing herb that prefers cool weather, making it ideal for December planting. It germinates quickly and produces fresh leaves within weeks. However, it dislikes being transplanted, so plant it directly in its final spot for best results. Preparing your winter garden. Proper preparation is crucial for success. Here are the steps to ensure your herbs thrive in colder months. Choose the right spot. Select a location that receives ample sunlight, ideally 6-8 hours daily. Even in winter, herbs need light to grow and stay healthy. South-facing areas are generally the best for maximizing sunlight exposure. Improve soil quality. Healthy soil is the foundation of any thriving garden. Mix in compost or well-rotted manure to boost fertility and improve drainage. Herbs dislike soggy conditions, so make sure water doesn't pool in your planting area. Add mulch. Mulch is your secret weapon for winter gardening. It insulates the soil, retains moisture, and protects roots from sudden temperature drops. Spread organic mulch, like straw or wood chips, around the base of your herbs. Caring for winter herbs. Even though these herbs are cold tolerant, they still need proper care to thrive. Water wisely. Watering during winter requires a delicate balance. Herbs need less water in colder months, as evaporation rates are slower. Check the soil's moisture level regularly and water only when the top inch feels dry. Protect against frost. For particularly frosty nights, consider covering your plants with frost cloths or row covers. These provide an extra layer of warmth without smothering the plants.
Prune sparingly.
Winter is not the time for heavy pruning. Instead, focus on harvesting what you need without cutting back too much. This helps the plant conserve energy while still providing you with fresh produce. Growing herbs indoors. If outdoor gardening isn't an option or you want to extend your herb growing space, try cultivating herbs indoors. Windowsill gardens are perfect for winter, as they offer consistent temperatures and protection from the elements. Essential tips for indoor herb gardening. Use pots with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Place herbs in a sunny location, such as a south-facing window. Rotate pots every few days to ensure even growth. Avoid overwatering. Indoor herbs need less water than outdoor ones due to reduced airflow. 6. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Gardening in winter comes with its own set of challenges. Here's what to watch out for: overwatering. Excess moisture can lead to root rot, especially in colder weather. Stick to a light watering schedule and always check the soil before adding water. Lack of sunlight. Winter days are shorter, so finding sunny spots can be tricky. If your herbs aren't getting enough light, consider using grow lights to supplement natural sunlight. Ignoring pest control. While pests are less active in winter, they're not entirely gone. Keep an eye out for aphids or spider mites, particularly on indoor herbs, and treat infestations promptly. Benefits of growing winter herbs. Aside from the obvious advantage of having fresh, flavorful ingredients at your fingertips, winter herbs offer numerous benefits. Cost-effective, growing your own herbs saves money compared to buying fresh ones from the store. Therapeutic gardening, even in winter, is a relaxing and rewarding activity that can reduce stress. Environmental impact. By growing your own herbs, you reduce your reliance on store-bought options, which often come with a carbon footprint. 8. Maximizing your harvest. The secret to a bountiful herb garden lies in consistent harvesting. Snip leaves or sprigs regularly to encourage new growth and prevent the plant from becoming woody or leggy. Storing your herbs. To make the most of your harvest, consider drying or freezing herbs for later use. For drying, hang small bundles in a warm, dry place. To freeze, chop herbs finely and place them in ice cube trays with a bit of water or oil. Ready to make the most of your garden this winter? Click on the next video to discover more gardening tips that will keep your green thumb active year-round.